Ready.
Okay, dang it. Can somebody start the meeting on Discord? And then have at her.
I got you. Done. All
Oh,
right, October
I didn't
12th,
mean-
rapidly
didn't mean
approaching.
you.
SAC-4 nominations. So we are done with the nomination period, huh?
Yep, it's me, Jip, and Erther.
Well, I do
Arthur?
think we have decided that we will continue the nomination for another till the election at this point because we don't have 5 people yet.
Oh, we are?
Yeah, technically, if
Okay.
somebody still wants to jump in. So the campaign period and the nomination are going to be ongoing.
Okay.
And that's one of my agenda items is the campaign period. So we can talk about that when we get there.
Okay, got it. All right, Treasury. What's going on with Treasury?
So, the final payment for Jose went out. So that actually simplifies the spreadsheet that I'm doing because now it's like the entire deficit is just basically there. And the question then becomes ultimately in February, what happens with that? That aside, Atlas went down a little bit. We have 302.6 thousand in the treasury and 35.6 thousand in the ecosystem fund. Atlas wasn't exactly 5 million intake this month with a total of 772.8 million Atlas in the treasury. Ecosystem fund hasn't changed.
Okay. Thanks, Jith.
And we are basically still solid for a 2-year runway.
How did you come up with that figure?
It's in the
It's in chat.
that I put in the chat.
Hey, Jeff, while we're on that, what do you think about putting that in on our drive as a Google, whatever it's called, Google Sheets?
I could put that on the drive. I mean, do we want to clean it? Do we want to clean it up a bit before we do that?
Well, I don't know. If you put it on the drive, then any of us can take a look at it and just kind of edit it a little bit.
Yeah,
It's there if we want to, you know.
True.
There is other stuff on there.
We'll just copy and paste the stuff you need.
Yeah, it's all formulas, so that would take a little bit more. It's not just straight paste, but I could do it.
It's just a suggestion. You can do whatever you want.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, I can definitely do that. It's more of the if it was actually good or not, or
got it.
Yeah.
So next is Pip Tracker, Morango.
She's muted.
Yeah, no changes. The last one was the PIP 34, and it didn't pass.
Oh, we can put. You said Jose's PIP was completely closed out now, though, paid out. I don't know if you updated that on the slides or not, Marengo. I just found out it was paid.
Oh, it was paid out. So that was.
Says
this one, temporary DAO funding.
28, yeah.
So we paid out 30 grand, right, Jith?
Yeah.
Jith, we need you to update some of the columns over here. Row 30.
Oh, we don't have any of the
Doesn't say. Oh wait, you say PIP 30? No,
No.
it's PIP 28.
28 is
Yeah.
Jose's.
Yeah, we
It
need
was
two
tab
entries.
30.
Okay, so let's go to which one did it pay out of? The treasury, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, the big
Treasury
main one.
USDC.
Jit can probably do this in the background. I don't think we have to do it live.
We're about to add it to our accomplishments, right?
Where would that?
There's the little button.
So it would go out instead of in. Those
Yeah,
are
that's
all
what I'm
the
trying to
ins,
figure
right?
out.
Hmm.
Darn it. Oh Lord.
That's
Okay.
not.
Where's the out in button?
Well, I don't know. There is one, right?
There, it's right here.
There we go.
All right. This one. That must be the 5,000 one 6 days ago.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. So then that would be our accomplishment. And that's 6 of 6, right? Yeah, it's right here.
Yep.
Okay. That was done on 6 days ago, August 12th. I need to move these. By July.
Yeah. And halfway through August.
Yeah. Got quite a bit done in July.
While you're doing that, I'm going to attempt to post the code. I don't know if Darwin actually got it done or not. I didn't get a thumbs up from him like I usually do. Let's try it. No idea if it's gonna work, people. Give it a shot.
All right, there we go. Done. What else did we do?
He did it. We finished up the council. What did we call it? The self-nomination period. I don't know if that's an accomplishment, but yeah, it is. That took a lot of
Oh, it's definitely is.
shenanigans.
For anybody who cares, those are the transactions.
SAC-3 completed. Nomination period. Process
28,
and
right?
paperwork.
I don't know that there was paperwork, but yeah, that works. And
Process.
maybe, yeah, maybe put 3 people through their hat in the ring or whatever. 3 people applied.
3 nominees. 3
There you go.
members self-nominated.
There you go.
Okay.
It's like it's been a wild week.
All right,
Arguing.
and this PIP number 28 was all about, was it 30,000 total?
Yeah. Yep.
Okay. But I just updated it. Oh, whoops. I didn't update it. You're right. Thank you, Jith. You corrected me on that one. Okay. Then we have new numbers now. What angle can you update
I just
the...
updated that with the entire transaction list, and I basically said it, and
Yeah, thank
you
you.
see that 6 transactions there, and I just copy pasted it the Discord.
What angle, when you get a moment, can you update the dashboard with the numbers in column AF?
Yeah.
Okay, donezo. Any other accomplishments?
I'm looking back. I don't think so. There was
Didn't
just a
you
whole
do a
bunch of
second
conversation.
brewer? Oh, dang it. Let's brew.
I missed last week. Did you talk at all, Jeff?
Last week, what?
for the brew. Saw
No,
you didn't get up on stage and talk again, right?
I don't think so. No.
Okay.
All
You
right.
know we didn't.
Then that's it.
Yep.
Okay. On to the meeting. Next one. The first one is DAOcasters recap.
I was
Some
hoping Winston would be here, so we're not going to discuss it.
Okay. Election campaign period. We want that to be
Yeah.
in parallel.
Well, yeah, that, and usually we create all the threads for all the different people. We talked in our chat with Jindo and Swags, and we were going to wait to see how many people applied, and if more than 5 applied, then he was going to create those threads. But since only 3 applied, we didn't create the threads. So I don't know how we want to go about the campaigning period.
Why didn't we
Basically
create
for
threads?
Earther, because there's only 3 of us.
So
That's what Jindo and Swags decided.
I mean, I honestly think Earther's probably fine. He's known well enough in the community, and being in
Okay.
Rome automatically pushes him a lot.
automatic seat, huh? You Romans.
Mhm.
Well, it's I'm not Rome, but I mean, like, it's it's an automatic seat regardless. But
Okay. So we voted.
So
Did you previously vote to extend it, or is that what we need to do?
well, no, we didn't vote. It was just
Then let's vote.
in our council chat.
Okay.
Okay, I vote that we extend it.
yeah,
I do too.
I vote.
Marengo?
Yeah, yes.
All right, cool. What are we extending it to?
And basically it overlaps the campaign period to August 30th.
Yeah, all the other dates stay the same.
And so, Lanzer, to answer your question why we didn't create the threads, Jindo looked back at the last SAC and like nobody used them. And they're trying to not create too many items on the Discord. And since nobody uses it, it takes
Oh, I see.
resources and
gotcha.
it just clogs up the pipes. We were
Okay.
just like, yeah. So what I think we'll do, I'm gonna DM him right now before the elections actually go up. We should be on the brew again, like we did that first time. Did we do that the second time, Lancer?
Do what?
And just go on the brew and tell
Yeah,
them about ourselves. We did, right?
Yeah, we did.
Okay, so we'll have to do
for
that
all
again.
3 we did.
Okay. So I'll message. I almost said Santi.
There we go.
I'll message
Self-nomination
Jose.
period will be extended until campaign period ends or until 5 nominees self-nominate. Cool.
So, right, this is the first election where we don't have Santi.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so I did a little strike through thing here, so you can kind of see where we started. All right, there you go.
Well, I do think at this point it's probably going to just go through that period regardless of if because if more than 5 self-nominate, we can actually have somewhat of an election.
SAC-3 voted to extend self-nomination period. There. Okay. What's next?
And real quick, 8 days from now, that's before the I asked Santi if we could be on the brew in 8 days, so not tomorrow, but the week after. Is that still within our time frame? I'm trying to find my calendar.
You mean Jose?
Did I say Santi?
Yes, you said
You
something.
sure did.
Yeah.
Freudian
The
slip.
26th. Yeah,
You
again.
did.
Sorry. Sorry, Santi, you're never gonna listen to this, but
He might.
okay, so yeah, we still have the 26th. That would be the brew on the 26th. And this can you go back to the I can go back to it. When's the campaign done?
You want me to go
30th.
back?
Yep. So we'll be on the brew just a few days before it goes up for vote.
So we're gonna go on the brew of for the 30th.
The
Right now, it'd be, I think
the 26th.
that would be
Got it.
me, Emperor, and Earther. That would be on the-
SAC-4 nominees.
Yeah.
Okay.
And if anybody else nominates before then.
Correct.
What if I want to nominate?
Yourself.
You'd be
Go
on the brew.
for it.
Do it.
Man,
Do it.
I was working it. I reached out to 6 guild leaders of the most active ones I
Oh,
knew of,
dang.
and then reached out to a few people personally. And I got on a call with our friendly ex-pirate. Are you an ex-pirate? Or are you still a pirate? Our ex-pirate friend Saint. And then I also talked to Earther. So
Most loyal
trying.
robot ever in existence.
What?
Ah, just never mind. Don't mind me.
Oh, come on.
The code is 3 people. That's funny.
Yep. I made that. Well, I make them all, but
That's pretty good. I like that one.
they're not all winners, but that one
Yeah.
works.
Yeah. All right. What
Oh,
is
and back
next?
to the election. We did get clarification. There was some chatter if we were or weren't going to actually have an election and all the things. And Swag's verified today that we will still have an election.
Okay. Got it. All right, dashboard pip.
Okay. This is mine. I don't know if you want to throw yours.
Give me a
Jits
second.
is in the council. No, it's in the. Where's
Well, I
that?
mean, I just kept it in the actual chat for it because I already put up the working one. I mean, the idea was more to get people to be aware that we're doing it.
Yeah. Okay.
If we want to just use the significantly slimmer one that you just made, I'm fine with that.
Okay. So that's the RFP that you. I can pull it up and stream it if you want to.
Now, okay. Say again what you want me to do.
Go to the other one, the other doc.
Go to the other one.
Your next tab over.
The pip, not the
Yeah. Dashboard pip.
Yeah, yep. I got it. I understand. Okay.
Okay. So this is the pip we're going to review. God's honest truth, I haven't even read it.
Okay.
And I wrote it.
So we're reviewing our own pip.
Yep.
Got it.
Should we change the author to council?
Yeah. SAC-3.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So I'll read it like I usually do, and it's not too long. So header,
Make sure you
fine,
read
summary.
it off of yours because I'm going to be flipping back and forth
Yeah.
as we make comments.
Yes, sir. And all of us have access to this, so if somebody wants to edit it on the fly, that would be great. This proposal authorizes the creation of a public Star Atlas DAO dashboard and a competitive RFP process to select a developer or team to build and sustain it. Probably take out sustain, right?
Okay. Number 1, it's not in the right format.
Mine is.
Where's
You're in
section
the
1?
You're in the RFP. Go back to the pip.
Dang it. Okay. Never mind. Disregard. Keep going.
Okay, so we're looking to select a developer or team to build and sustain it. We're not asking them to sustain it, right?
To transition it, right? Isn't there a part of our evaluation process that is ease of transfer?
Yeah, but I don't know if it, in the summary, I don't think any of that detail
To
needs to be in
select
there.
a developer. All right. This proposal authorizes the creation of a public startless DAO dashboard and a competitive request process to select a developer or team to build it.
It had and sustain, and I erased and sustain.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine.
The dashboard will consolidate important DAO financial, governance, PIP, and council information into a single publicly accessible resource. The maximum amount authorized under this PIP is 13 million blah 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 Atlas. Following approval, the DAO Council will publish a separate RFP establishing the dashboard requirements and the process for selecting a provider.
That's the current ecosystem fund limit, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm just
I don't know
modifying
if
it
we're
right as we go.
publishing a separate RFP. At the very bottom, I put the link to the actual RFP.
Oh, cool.
So
Yeah.
Following approval to down, that's fine. We might need to come back to that, but because it says it
We'll
later on.
publish
So
a separate RFP. On you say separate. We'll publish an RFP establishing
there you go.
the dashboard requirements and process for selecting a developer. Let's just say developer instead of or team. If the team's a developer,
Okay.
fine.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Motivation. Yep. Okay, good. Important DAO information is currently spread across multiple locations, making it difficult for community members to effectively review DAO finances, funded PIPs, milestones, governance activity, council stats, and DAO controlled wallets. Dashboard is intended to improve transparency and accessibility by providing this information through a centralized public interface. Using a public RFP will also allow the DAO to compare potential providers based on cost, experience, maintainability, and development timeline before committing ecosystem fund resources.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty good
Using the
motivation.
public RFP will also allow the DAO to compare potential providers. Okay, how many times are we going through this word? Provider. 1, 2, 3,
5.
4. Okay. Potential developers. Selected developers. The selected developer. Developer responsibilities.
Okay,
The selected developer.
more.
Okay, cool.
Okay. I think that's pretty succinct and to the point motivation, don't you guys?
Multiple locations make it difficult for tend to improve yeah, I'm good.
Poetry. Thank you, Saint. You can thank
He said
ChatGPT.
So you did AI. Is that what we're reading right now?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Okay, specification. Upon approval of this PIP, the DAO Council will publish the Star Atlas DAO dashboard RFP. The RFP will establish mandatory dashboard features and deliverables, proposal submission requirements, development and sustainment cost requirements, technical and transfer requirements, a 14 calendar day submission period, a proposal evaluation and selection process. So the RFP will establish those things.
Proposal submission requirements, development and sustainment. Sustainment? Don't think we used that word, or did we? Yeah, sustainment's all over this thing. Okay, so let's see if we used that word in our past decisions.
I
We
think
did.
you
Monthly
actually
sustainment
just
cost.
fix the
We
word.
did. Monthly sustainment costs. There must be
You're
an
almost
installation and
criticizing yourself.
sustainment instruction manual. Sustainment instruction manual. All right. Where did it come up with the word transfer? See, transfer. Yeah, because that was one of our criteria: ease of transfer and continued management. So
By SAC.
sustainment usually means after you've built it, the
Right.
costs and time it takes to continually maintain it. In our case,
Right.
we want them to
That's why I
transfer it
took
to our
it out.
control, right?
Right. That's why I took out sustainment from the
Yeah.
first thing. Who's not muted?
Okay, that's fine. We can keep going.
The person with the B in their B name. You're not muted.
About to get
Oh,
banned.
he left. He left.
Okay.
Okay. The RFP may also identify desired optional features that are not required for a proposal to qualify. Cool. Proposal evaluation. Each qualifying proposal will be scored by DAO council members from 1 to 5 in each of the following categories: total cost, qualifications, experience, and past projects, ease of transfer, and continued management. We should put
Total.
by SAC-3.
Total
By
cost, qualification, proof of qualification, experience of experience, ease of transfer, continued management by
you keep going to the wrong one. Nope. Or do you?
timeline
No,
to
you moved it.
completion.
I mean, it would definitely be probably
By
SAC-4,
we put
possibly
SAC.
in SAC-5. That would have to be before there would need to be a new PIP to keep it running.
Yeah, it's a problem for future us.
Council member scores will be combined, and the qualifying proposal receiving the highest total score will be selected. The selected proposal may not exceed the funding authorized by this PIP. Awesome.
Bingo.
Okay. Bingo bango.
Stakeholder impact. Star Atlas community. The dashboard will provide easier access to DAO financial, governance, funding, and project information.
Yep.
The DAO Council. The council will be responsible for publishing the RFP. I don't know why this is in stakeholder impact. Reviewing
Because
submissions,
we're a
scoring.
stakeholder.
Yeah, but this isn't impactful. Oh, I guess it would impact us because we have to do these things.
Yeah, right. The who has to do what?
Yeah, but usually stakeholder impact is like the positive. Like this PIP, this dashboard will help the council be more transparent.
Yeah, I don't disagree with you. If we want to move it to section 4, I like it
Just
personally.
okay. I don't give a shit. So
No, I think it's okay there because it is our responsibility.
okay. So the stakeholder impact for the ecosystem fund is the ecosystem fund will fund the selected proposal up to a maximum amount authorized by this PIP.
Sure.
It's the same thing as the other one. I would probably switch it to the positive impacts, but I don't really care.
I mean, I think
The
we can remove
selected,
that personally.
yeah,
Okay.
done. Selected developers. The selected developer will be responsible for building, documenting, delivering, and sustaining the dashboard. Nope, take out and sustaining the dashboard according to the accepted proposal and RFP requirements. I
We
messed up
do
the
have the word
formatting,
sustaining in our instructions.
but not for the developer. Developer isn't going to sustain it after it's to us.
The council is responsible for the sustainment.
Correct.
Ultimately
Well, hold
speaking.
on. We use that term in here. They
Yeah,
must
but it was after
propose
it. It's
monthly
up. Yeah,
sustainment
there.
cost.
Meaning the sustainment cost from the developer would be how much the various programs and services that the
Would cost
dashboard
us.
requires will cost the DAO to continue to keep running.
Oh, then okay.
Correct.
We probably need to
The
make sure that
actual
is abundantly clear.
responsibility to do that is on us.
Okay.
Right.
I do software and specifically software sustainment. So this word makes me think that if I were submitting, I would have to sustain it as the developer.
Right, and that's why I deleted it. But we can
Okay.
add
Alright.
in there
Yeah,
an
yeah.
estimated
So
DAO
estimated
sustainment.
for SA DAO sake. Yeah. All right. Well,
You
we'll
want to
just
put
have
that in
to
there?
screen for that.
Okay, that's fine.
I mean, a lot of that is because the code can't necessarily be transferred to a new service necessarily one for one.
Okay.
All right, I'm good with it. Implementation details. Are you back there? You. Oh, you're
Oh,
still obsessing about sustain.
dang it! I keep going to the wrong place. I'm in the
Yeah,
okay.
you do.
I'm in the pip now.
We're on number 6. There.
All right.
Following approval of this PIP, the DAO Council will publish the dashboard RFP. It will
Okay.
remain open for 14 days. After submissions close, the council would determine which proposals meet the RFP requirements. Qualifying proposals will be scored using the 4 evaluation criteria established by this PIP.
Which was okay. Good.
The highest scoring qualifying proposal will be selected.
Yep.
Development will begin according to the selected proposal's milestones and timeline, which we don't have any milestones. So we need
We
to,
should. They should.
well,
The
chat didn't put it
milestones
in
need to
here.
be, the milestones will be provided by the developer when they win the or whoever the milestones will be determined by whoever actually wins the RFP.
Well, for us, milestone, well,
Timeline to completion is what we wrote instead of milestones. So let's just use that terminology then. The selected
okay,
proposals timeline to completion. All right, I got it.
okay.
Timeline to complete. There we go.
And somewhere,
Verify.
so I don't forget, they get paid at the end when it's done, is what I would say. How's it
I
work
don't
in your
disagree with
world,
that, but
Nolan?
I think did we even talk about payment in this?
No, we didn't.
Yeah.
That's why it's not in here.
Okay.
So we do need to put that maybe in the implementation details. Payments will be made.
Will be made
After.
following acceptance by SAC.
Yeah.
Delivery of what? Delivery. What were the things that we needed them to deliver?
Of the code.
The completed project.
There you go.
Okay.
Yeah. Because it'll probably be SAC-4 by the time we get to it.
I've been capitalizing
Okay.
the D and developer. Thank you very much.
Yep. And then following, maybe we need to switch these. I don't know. The completed dashboard will be launched and enter its approved sustainment period. Okay. Yeah, that's the right order.
Let's just say the dashboard will be, well, I don't think we're going to necessarily control the launch. Will we?
No, we own the code.
They're not going to launch it before and give it to us? Oh, wait, no.
Because
I
we
think
have
I see what you're saying.
control of it.
We would still
Okay.
have to basically put everything into our
Then let's
chosen
just stop at 7 then.
actual hosting service and then run it.
Yeah, we'll just stop it at 7 then. They deliver it, we accept it, payments made.
Done. Okay, the RFP will contain the detailed technical specifications, deliverables, submission requirements, and developer responsibilities. Your brain works so much different than mine, Lanzer.
Yeah. Yeah. True.
Timeline. It keeps capitalizing D.
Yeah, it's because I'm doing it. It's a noun.
Why?
Same thing we
What?
do council. It's a noun.
I don't agree, but that's okay. Timeline. We're gonna move on.
It does help because it does make sure that it draws attention to it.
I'm gonna change it just to annoy Lancer.
Thanks. Yeah. Appreciate that.
Okay, timeline. So RFP publication following PIP approval. Yep. RFP submission period 14 calendar days. Proposal evaluation following the close of submissions. Development according to the selected proposal. I like it. Launch following completion and acceptance of the required dashboard. Sustainment as specified in the selected proposal for a maximum of 1 year.
Yes.
I think we should take out sustainment. What did you delete?
I deleted the launch, which we're doing. It's a sustainment, which they're not doing.
Okay.
So
Cost and
wait, the timeline's kind of jacked up.
why is that?
It needs either a date or it needs numbers.
Why?
What
The
was
date
our-
is following the PIP approval.
Yeah.
And then the date
following
is
what?
14 days.
Following 1 day? Following 10 days?
Give us some flexibility as
14 days?
I would just leave it as following the PIP approval.
So we give
'Cause who
ourselves
knows?
unlimited days?
Approval allows
Correct.
to just basically, as soon as we notice the PIP is approved, we can just publish the RFP.
Well, if this was
'Cause
anyone
it-
else, we would force them to give us a date or a number.
Yeah, but it's not. It's us.
Wasn't, but where was this emperor in SAC-2?
We gotta get shit done, man.
Sure.
We gotta have some flexibility.
Okay, fine. RFP submission period, 14 calendar days.
Yeah, we're giving them deadlines.
And
not
after
us.
publication,
Yeah.
Good catch.
Proposal evaluation following the close of submissions.
Yep.
No, we got to give him a bone on that one.
Within 2 weeks after close. We can go 2 weeks because then when they're waiting on us.
Yeah. All right. Cool.
And then development is according to the selected proposal.
According to the timeline of completion within the selected proposal. That's what we called it elsewhere, right? Timeline to completion. All right.
Good now?
Yep.
Ecosystem fund is the funding source. Maximum is that. And then the selected developer will receive
that?
only the amount required.
No, keep going.
Okay. Will receive only the amount requested in the accepted proposal. If any unused portion of the authorized maximum will remain in the ecosystem fund. The total funded development and sustainment period under this PIP may not exceed the authorized maximum or extend beyond 1 year of sustainment. We should delete that stuff.
This thing loves sustainment.
Want to delete it?
Yep. The total funded period. We're talking about dev. Total funded period? The total period? On this PIP may not exceed the authorized maximum of what?
The ecosystem fund.
The period? This is talking about length of
I don't
time.
know.
I don't know why this is here.
Just delete it.
Okay. Yeah, that would be here on a timeline if we want to do something like that.
technically speaking.
What's that?
Like
I
the
didn't hear
PIP
what you
can
said.
only extend to up to a year.
Yeah.
Oh, that's why that was on there.
Not to exceed 1 year per PIP 23. Okay. Pretty sure it's PIP 23, right?
I don't want to. I'm not gonna wait a year.
Well, you would just rank it lower, right? We would all rank it for what we want. If I think that it's going to be the coolest website on the planet and it's going to take a year to do it, then I'm going to rank it up. You know what I mean?
Fair enough.
All right.
Okay.
What's next?
So the next line is the PIP also authorizes reimbursement of $100 to Emperor for the dashboard domain
Oh, of
previously
course.
purchased for the project.
Pay yourself, Emperor.
Mhm.
Unjust enrichment.
Additional details: conflict of interest. Emperor has previously purchased the domain intended for use by the dashboard and will receive the $100 reimbursement described above. Any council member with a material conflict of
Did you
interest
round
involving
down?
an RFP?
Yeah. Did you pay more than 100?
Probably. No, I bought it for 10 years. I don't know. It was probably more than that.
Because
There's a
if it was a
receipt.
little bit more than that, then maybe, pay yourself back the
It's
real amount.
it's in there somewhere.
Okay.
Where did I put that? Um, I'm not logged into the Star Atlas account on this computer. I'm pretty sure I put it on the drive somewhere, like
Okay.
domain receipt or something.
Yeah. All right. Okay.
Mm,
Previously
So we
purchased
can
it.
look that up.
Got it. Any council member with okay.
To disclose that conflict before.
I mean,
So if one of us,
this is we don't need to put this in here.
I'm not bidding on
We
it. Is
probably
anyone
should have
else in
that
here
in
bidding
there.
on it?
Oh, wait.
I don't think so.
No, I misread that. Any council member with a material conflict of interest involving an RFP applicant. Okay. I don't think
Yeah.
we've
So
been
like
using
if
that word. Give me a second. Let me hunt that down. We've been using a different word. Yeah.
I see what you
No,
did
it's
with
applicant,
developer.
not
Yeah.
the developer. But if
What, Jith?
we're related to the applicant, or if we have ongoing business relationships with the applicant, that's what that's for.
Yeah. I guess I don't hate that word. All right. That's fine.
Yeah, it's fine. Okay. You can leave it. I actually liked it bold.
Did
No,
you?
it works because we're talking about when we're evaluating the RFP submissions, not the one that we
Right.
actually decide.
Yeah. I
Yeah,
got
if
you.
you're like fellow guild member
Okay.
puts
I
in a
left it.
thing. Yeah. Earlier versions, the dashboard concept, required features, funding ceiling, RFP structure, and
Ooh.
proposal evaluation process, your anonymous
I
kangaroos
like
in the way,
that.
were developed through multiple SAC-3 public meetings and council discussion. Me too.
We'll do one better.
Oh,
I'm
geez.
gonna
You're going to
finally
put the
get to
link.
use. I'd never done this before. SAC-3 meeting. All right, here we go. Watch this.
This is such a nerd.
Oh yeah, this is baller. See.
You dork. All right. The
Hell
detailed Star
yeah.
Atlas DAO dashboard RFP will be maintained as a separate document and is located here.
One of our videos made it in the PIP. All right. What's next? The detailed Star Atlas DAO dashboard RFP. Okay, will be maintained as no. The RFP
Yeah, it's that document right there.
are located here.
Oh,
The published there. Detailed. The Star Atlas DAO dashboard RFP
It's located
will
here.
be published is located here. Boom. Okay.
And somebody remind me before we actually put this up, to turn off anyone can edit, because right now anyone with the link can edit this stuff.
Oh.
Yeah, we definitely need to make sure that.
Yeah. Yeah. True. I think you have to do it.
No, Star Atlas DAO Council owns it.
Oh, okay. I'm not on that one right now.
Yeah, me neither.
Anybody
Okay, so let's just roll through it and then we can do it at the end. So applicant needs to be changed to whatever it is. Accepting proposals to develop.
I don't know if we're gonna have time to go over the actual RFP, but
Yeah, let's do it next week. That's fine. 49 after? Yeah. That was good.
we could start. We could start it.
We did
What,
say
Jeff?
that the RFP is going to be possibly maintained through the process, at least probably up to publication.
Viewed
And
all
then I'm assuming if
sections.
we're going to continue developing this,
Pip
we will
and
then go over the RFP, or that would probably be like SAC-4 or SAC-5, possibly SAC-6. We then go over the RFP and make any modifications.
Yeah, you're thinking way too far ahead. I'm just messing with you.
okay. I
I'm
vote
just
to
justifying the
accept.
language.
I vote to accept Star Atlas DAO dashboard pip that we just did.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
When I
We
go?
do. Oh, Rango? She's muted.
I could just basically go through and fix all the Discord BS if you need me to.
Yeah, we'll probably. I don't know if you just like delete all of it or something, but
Okay.
or edit it.
Not
I just
all
said
of it.
we voted to
What I
accept
would
pip as
probably
revised.
do is replace from the top down,
Yeah, and then delete.
and then any extra posts just get deleted.
Yep.
What are you talking about? Me? Do I need to do something?
No,
Oh, okay.
No, I'm talking about what I
he's
would.
gonna edit his post.
Oh, got
It's
it.
all
got
good.
it. Okay. Hey, this is
I
good,
can
man.
make.
Other than just making the words the same, that is good. Let's do the pip or the RFP next week.
Only people added can do it. Man. Anyone with link? Yeah, we're just gonna have to change the. But we can't put this up yet because the RFP isn't done.
Yeah. Yeah. So
Well,
we knock
can
it up
put-
next week.
The only thing we can't do is add the link
Add what link?
to the RFP.
What do you mean?
I can
Yeah.
put up everything else. I just have to basically make sure that the link's not there
Are you talking about
Yeah.
Markdown?
No, Discord.
on the Discord.
You can put in a link.
Well, you can
No,
put it in, but it's not.
One is
It's not ready.
done, and two, anybody with the link can edit it.
Oh.
So
Got
he
it.
could put it up now, but it might confuse people because they're like, there's no link to the RFP, but we can
True. Yeah. After this,
say
we should
coming
lock it
soon or
down
something.
and turn it.
I can just basically say the RFP link. I can basically just make a disclaimer that says the RFP link will be added once we have a chance to go over it.
That sounds fine.
Yeah, that sounds good. Excellent. Did you Jith?
Yeah.
Crushing it.
And Marengo said yes to the voting.
Oh, did she? Okay, cool.
Yeah.
All right, there we go. We voted to extend the self-nomination period till the campaign period ends or until 5 nominees self-nominate. And then we voted to accept the dashboard pip as revised in real time. Sounds good. Next week, we will hit the dashboard request for proposal.
Wait.
Thank you for your time, everyone.
Yep.
Now that we're done, Saint, what do you mean the corruption here is baffling? Tell us more. Come on stage.
I'm at work, my friends. I can barely